Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to block a number in the LENOVO K5 Play. First, you want to tap on the Contact tab. Then, on the three little dots in the top right corner. Then, choose Settings, Call Blocking, and then tap on Add a Number. Here you can type out the number you wish to block. Tap on Block, and the number has been blocked. If you ever wish to unblock the given number, tap on the X to the right of it, and then tap on Unblock. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.